Welcome everyone to another episode of Let's Play Stardew Valley. Alright, as usual, we're gonna do our darndest. Oh my goodness. As usual, we're gonna do our darndest to get through those mines and get to the next 5 floors. Other than that, we gotta earn some money. I think that's the only way we're gonna, ooh, great. I think we gotta earn some money because I don't really see any other way where, we're getting past. What we need to get past. Oh my goodness, I didn't mean to do that. Let's put you. Hello, baby. Okay. Let's water some of our. Do I want to keep using that dagger? Yeah, let's keep using that dagger. Let's just do one of these guys. Gonna be our big goal for today, monies. But let's also just make sure that I have food to eat. That's kind of important. That's what killed me last time. I had no food. So let's forage as much as we can on our way. Food. Please give me food. The horseradishes don't they're not the best, but better than nothing. Okay. Should I have gone to forage a little bit more? Maybe. But you know what? We're here to live life on the edge. Okay. Let's try to do it. Today's a good. Oh gosh, what kind of good luck day is this? Oh, that's how it's a good luck day. Okay, sure, I can deal with that. Okay. Come on, good luck day. Okay. It's fast, but I wish it had swipey motions. Come on. One of you please turn into a staircase. Please. Please. I'm asking nicely. Gosh. Oh, staircase. Oh my goodness. It's kind of a sick feat. Let's go. Ooh. I think this is gold. Oh no, it's copper. Hold on. No, not enough. Oh gosh. I kinda hate this ghost. Ooh, ooh. That's so far away. Read it. Oh gosh. Okay. Gosh. Let's try one more time. Oh my gosh. Okay. You know what? I will read it later. Let me... Yep. Okay. Let's eat one of these. Let's eat another one of these just to be safe. You know. And let's go ahead. Oh my gosh. I just want to read this. Am I not allowed to read it? Yeah, I would like to read the book. I don't know why I'm not able to read that book. But you know what? That's fine. Do we want to try making it to the next? Do we want to try making it to the next 5 floors? I don't know. Can we make a bomb? We need 4. 4 coppers. Did my luck run out? What's going on? Yay! I don't know how I did that, but I did it. Oh, aquamarine. Alright, time to kill monsters. Okay, you know what? With my energy as low as it is, I don't think I'm gonna make it all the floors, so I'm just gonna call it quits right now. And let me run over to oh no, I think I'm too late for that too. Okay, you know what? We're gonna do this instead. Let us give stuff, random things. And let's see if we can get our, how much people like us a little bit higher up. Yeah, that sounds like a good idea. We'll forage a little bit because, like, if we take a look here, fishing, yeah, our farming, our fishing, it's a little low. So might as well just try to do our darndest. Pick up stuff, give stuff away. Yeah. Do you like this? She does not like it. That's okay. Hey, would you like some sap, Penny? Nope. She absolutely hates it. Would you like some sap? She hates it too. How about you, little boy? Y'all hate sap. You know, why is sap catching all this flack? Sap's a great tool. Anyways, it's let's see here. Is it someone's birthday? Oh shoot, it is someone's birthday. It's Emily's birthday. You know what? I have one of those. Let me go get one for you, Emily. But if I give her something for the quest, ooh, will it count for her birthday too? Like, can I get a twofer? Is that how it works? I don't know. I mean, I have this quartz. Okay, I don't really know where Emily is. We're just gonna do our best to try to find her. 6:30 p.m. Let's make this look a little neater. Okay. You know, I should probably clean up some of my rocks. I don't know, do you guys want to see that? It seems off boring to me to just watch somebody clear rocks all day. But I do need to get it done, so if you don't want to watch that, let me know, and I'll just do it on a day when I'm not recording, so we can get it out of the way. Okay, but let us. Why is everyone conjugating? Is Emily here? Nope. Hey, would you like this flower? Nope. Okay. I didn't mean to dig through the trash. Emily? No, your sister is here though. Oh, she's at the pub. She's at the pub. She's at the pub. I remember where she is. She works at the pub. Cool girl. Yeah, there she is. Okay. I'm gonna give her one of these guys. Did you... Wait, did I not accept? Shoot. Hey, I like Pam too. You know what? Okay. Did I not accept it? Oh my god. Oh my gosh, I didn't accept it. I wouldn't have given it to you, Emily. Okay, I guess I can't give it to her today. Because she is being a bit of a smelly poop, and you can't give more than one gift to a person a day. Which is kind of a ridiculous rule. But, you know, sure. Whatever. Is there anything to salvage here? There is some things to salvage. Let's pick this up. Sell these things too. I'm sure you can craft something with these things. I just don't have the recipe for it yet. That's okay. I should have brought my fishing rod, but it's alright, everyone's going to bed. I don't know why I'm misreading this video, but I am. Okie dokie, I guess. We're gonna head home. Yeah, we're gonna head home, and then we'll try to give Emily the bar again tomorrow. Yeah, let's do that. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna get stuck. I really do need to clear some of this stuff up. We're going to sell this, 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 and this. Yep. Okay, let's go to bed. Okay. That's not too shabby. We definitely need to get ourselves like at least up to like 10,000. Okay. Ooh. An omelet. I need to, Okay, let's not go to the mines then. I need to get some. You know what I need to get? I need to get beans. Any strawberries? Okay. Oh, you know what? Today is the last day of spring too, so I'm not going to bother with watering my plants, but I will water my dog because he's important. Katie's important. I think Katie's a female. And there's not much for me to do this time. Beans will bean. Make some of these guys. I can make one. I made one whole bomb. Wow. Just looking for these. Boop. You know what I'm gonna do with that bomb? I'm gonna drop it over here. It's not gonna do much, but oh shoot, I should grab it. It's not gonna do much, but it's better than nothing. Wait, how do I get myself in there? Again, not much, but better than nothing. So, just in case you're like, why don't you just cut this grass, lady? It's because I want a silo. Silo will help me a lot, and I want a silo. Let's take this to the blacksmith, take that to Gunther's. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I don't need my little dagger, but I do want my fishing rod, and you know what? Yeah. How do I attach? Oh, alright, so I'm gonna head over. I'm gonna walk all the way over to Gundor's. Do I have anything that I can upgrade at this time? Or should I save the upgrade for something else? You know what? Let's do the watering can. Oh! The hoe or the watering can. I don't know if I have enough, but we'll see. Let us see. Oh my gosh, have I still not accepted this? Okay. Head over to M's. Oh, sorry, not M's. Clint's. Then we're gonna head over to Gunther. Hey. Okay. Let's process some geodes first. Ooh, okay. Okay. Great. Okay. Ooh. My axe. What? What a hark? Okay. 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 Let's do my axe. Okay. Yeah, we'll head back, grab my copper, so I can beat up rocks faster. If I can beat up rocks faster, maybe I can get through the mines faster. That's logical. That's good logic. Technical logica. Okay. I'm so sorry, that was quite cringe. And then I should buy try to buy some seeds, I suppose, for tomorrow. Because tomorrow will be another day. Whee! Okay. What I need is copper. Ew. I'm looking at the bottom. But I'm not gonna use it right now. Okay. It's 11. Ooh. Ooh. You know, I think this is for... Oh, this is good, but I don't want to waste this money. Hops, holly, moon table, rare seed. Okay, I have to come back another day, sorry. So I have about a little bit left on my lunch break. I totally missed. So cool. What a spoiled brat. Okay. You know what? That's fine. Whatever. Okay, we don't have money for pets. Actually, we need a coop first. This is why we need monies. Okay, see if Emily's home. She is. Here you go, Em. Yay. Thanks. Oh yes, thank you. Yay. Greenhorn 12k. I don't know what that means, but okay. But we're gonna go in here. Gotta go. Yay. I got some mixed flower seeds. So cool. Alright, now we're gonna go over and see if I can get my pickaxe. upgraded. Yeah, there's nothing to give here. I still have enough money, which is great. And then I'm gonna stop at the community center. Okay. We're gonna stop by the community center and we are going to drop off that eel and we're gonna call it a day. Sorry. Okay, I knew that was gonna happen, but I still wanted to try. Okay. Eel. I think this is like nighttime fishing. Night. Yas. Woohoo! And this is bream and walleye. Is there anything for... Oh, dang it. I had that, the clams yesterday. Okay, I think that's everything I can do at this time. So we're just going to go... let's stop by Pierre's since we have to go home anyway. Let's see if with our 545 coins we can buy any seeds. Ooh. 10G. Cool. Don't got that. Okay. Ooh. Nope. What's after spring? Summer? Okay, never mind. Guess we just gotta wait for tomorrow. Okay. We'll go home, call it a day, because my lunch hour is now finished. But I think this was pretty successful. Overall. This is not a bad day. I'm gonna sell that, keep everything else. Boop, boop. Okay. Okay. Boop. All right. Let's go to bed. Okay. Let's see here. How much did we make today? Not too shabby. Alright everyone, thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you tomorrow for the first day of summer. Bye bye!